zombie makeup. Let's do it. Do you remember my makeup peel off video? If you haven't watched it yet, I'll link it in the comments. But that gave me a genius idea to use a face peel off mask so that I can make it look like the dead skin is peeling off. So now that it's dry, I'm just creating like holes all over my face. Now I'm just going to start adding a white all over my face. I'm adding some shading to the sides of my nose using that burgundy colour. I'm just going inside of like the holes with a bit of black eyeshadow and that same burgundy eyeshadow. I look so creepy now. Now I'm going to start contouring because I want my face to look really sunken in like a zombie. So now I'm using some red face paint to add some vein details. Adding a nude shade eyeliner pencil to my waterline to make it look like my eye is drooping down a lot more. Then on the other eye I'm doing a black pencil. I want to do like a stitch line, so I'm going to add some white on this area here. Blend that white out. Then I took some brown eyeshadow to do a line straight through the white. Now I'm adding the stitch details with some black eyeliner. And I'm going next to those black lines in a white eyeliner. And now I'm going to add some white lenses to make this even more spooky. Okay, who's ready to see the end result? Okay, here's the end result. I can barely move my mouth, but honest thoughts guys, what do you think? Is it scary? If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Boo!